Hello! It's been a long time, isn't it? It's the first time in a couple of months I uploaded on this channel, since I'm kinda busy with making high school. Another channel I rather keep private, since my classmates tend to go on this channel too. If you wanna know it, just, yeah, you'll find it. So, I did Hunger Games around December last year. I really loved it, so I made a new one since the old one was deleted. And here we are. Heh, new fandoms, not only Italia. And mostly from How I Met Your Mother, this basically the How I Met Your Mother game. With the goat. How I Met Your Mother fans will know what the goat was. Pretty amazing animal. Okay, then we got some new Italians. I'm pretty much into Italia, except for Kosovo. I didn't use him, since I know it's not the best thing to say about it. We got an Irish, we got Scottish, Welsh, Thai, Northern Ireland, Paul, Joker Now, Owen and George are back from North and South, but Brian and Marty, again, Potter, again, from Joker Now, a member of Joker Now game, Egypt, Ireland, the beautiful country since I didn't know anything else, Portugal, got Stitchy, Jacob, check. Okay, I changed. I think for some reason I decided to switch the names there. And I don't know why I did, and I'm not gonna fix it now. Portugal got the nickname Diego. And Yugoslavia, another country I like. Ex-country. Brian O'Shaughnessy from Ireland, Eurovision 2018, Derek from Sum 41, basically Sum 41 gang except Tivo, since you left. Cow Agent, another Eurovision star from this year, New Zealand, Australia, Albania, just the guy there, not the girl. Cyprus, Monaco, Greece, Anjit, and then Turkey, Victoria from How I Met Your Mother, Ecuador, and Keith from Joe River. Now I couldn't find a great picture with him alone, so Paul's here. So who's gonna kill who? I'm excited. Okay, runs away. Okay, little side note, I used a lot of nicknames like Lilipad from How I Met Your Mother, and I would actually get the nickname of Jason, but I decided to use Jason's nickname. So I can see, oh yes, I put the last name there. Yeah, this could be fun. Yep, basically Robin. Away from runs away from. Well, side note, I've never watched the Hunger Games. They are friends, so. Also, for some reason, George and Ori like to fight in these things. So I hope they don't die easily now. So it's gonna be short to see for today, I guess. Great job, Marty. Oh, what a brawly love between Slovenia and Serbia. Fucking brawly love. For any reason, I'm reading a fanfiction, and Slovenia and Serbia are the only EU Italians alive, so this is kind of funny. And Egypt was one of the guys' house on the bad side. You go and read it, it's a great fanfiction. Faye would do it before you. I love that fanfiction. Irish guy from Slovakia. Het was steeds de koninkrijk van deze versus. Supporting. The go check if you know, so like, Ihaka, Sarah, everything. Holy shit! Yugoslavia kills Digi. Oh, I love Digi, and she was from Yugoslavia. That's why I gave her the nickname Queen of Yugoslavia. Oh, fuck. That was great. Split up the situation. See first. Yeah, that's nice. Let's fighting with little patterns and white spreads and skills petrol. Both in area. Okay. Wow, that can kill. Okay. And there goes the first new assault. Assault, guys. Always win or lose. All sign I put in Tom Drummer point almost won all the time. All the time. He drinks that nice goat. I'm gonna laugh if the goat wins. Wales attacks Slovenia, but they managed to escape. Ireland. Great. I mean that Ireland. Oh, Derek is that too. Wow. I didn't know that. So random. Okay. I love that people already. 9 hours. That's going great. Greece. Let's strike down and kill to the west side. And there goes that. Oh my god, Lily. Was she angry on him? I don't know. Oh, fucking hot. Hot. No. Slovenia kids. Okay. Funny side note, I ship Slovenia once. Slovakia. Even though Slovenia's in the sea. I ship them. Anyway. Ireland sparkles. Irish Garden Montenegro. Just starts joke. Damn, Yugoslavia, the country. Damn. Attacks Labrador, but Jared protects him, kill him of Stephen. Oh, sweet. Sleep in night shifts. I was hoping on these two. If one of the, like, Ireland, Rhino Shark and Sea from Ireland was, you know, having some fun with Ireland as in the country, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. Friendships run away over his. I love how the innocent characters in Natalia are like, hey, let's go for it. Just says reach up and scares off. Okay, I need to picture this thing because I should do it. I said take a picture of this. Okay, got one. Oh, should I shoot this too? That's kind of funny. I didn't think it was that one except for Flash Cousin and Runner once. But I was from exhausted. That's sweet. Good job, Croatia. Good job. Yeah, goats. If you go to the area, maybe burns. Attempts it. Great job, Brian. Great job. Straight down. The drone. Thanks, guys. Home. Where? Your home are now 6 or 7 countries if you see Kosovo independence. I hate it when favorite characters kill my favorite characters kill each other, like Slovenia and George. I love both of them, so. Funny. No, the goat is dead. Sadly, I love him. I love her. The goat is just an amazing trick to how much mother. Oh, I love them. I can watch a fight between that and the goats over and over again. I love it. And the goat, Eric, and the Irish guy. The first magical Ireland Jason refused to. Great friends, you two. And that's, sadly, again, the brothers. For some reason I wanted to do the friends for the Italians and the things. And the... Yeah. That's working. Looks like he survives. Montenegro. Okay, nice. Survives. Survives. Poor guy. I think there isn't some 21 member still alive. I think. I know it was Brown Sound. Brown Sound still survives. So I jumped. So a couple of deaths. 90. Yes. Because wow. If Dave wins. Holy shit. No, shipping. Okay, next. So Pearl and Bosnia fight Montenegro and Ireland. Montenegro and Ireland survive. What's everything with killing your brothers? It puts me out of misery. For some reason, Slovakia never liked this game. So I dedicate to the feast. Okay. Defeats Ireland in a fight but spares his life. Survives as a later. And there goes the Irish. Montenegro. I think that was a lost Yugoslav. No, Macedonia. From Yugoslav Republic Macedonia. Starts at 3 reasons. I don't think it's surviving. Okay. Never mind. And there goes how much money. Okay. No, that. Wow. Macedonia is from Yugoslav Republic Macedonia. I just call her Maria. Like a human name. It is, pretty. You know. Yeah. She's a dangerous woman. She is. She's kind of hoping. I don't know who I want alive. I kind of wanted her to win now, but I don't know. Marnie won. Excuse me, Sorely won. The hell? I was hoping for Maria, but killing your fucking brother. Derek the first dead one. Dead the two. I will be laughing if Hugins from Eurovision finished 11 like song. So it'd be funny, but you know. Who had the most kills? So Ari killed Derek. Wow. I know he had, Paul with the most kills. Yes. That's Marley. Well, that was a great game. Thank you for watching. For some people watch this shit, so thank you, I guess, if somebody watches. Probably Laura. Probably. Oh, thank you. Next time. The hell's world.